Hello everybody, welcome to PMN Online. Here I will show you how to fix Cloudflare not verifying. Let's dive into a common issue many users face when dealing with Cloudflare, the frustrating problem of verification not going through. If you've encountered this, you know how inconvenient it can be, especially when you need to access or manage your account quickly. But don't worry, today we're going to address these issues with a step-by-step guide to get everything sorted out smoothly. First and foremost, when you notice that Cloudflare isn't verifying your actions, the initial step you should take is to click on the Resend Verification option. This option is generally available in the email request section or directly within the verification prompt you're dealing with. By doing this, Cloudflare sends a fresh verification link to your registered email address. This step is crucial because it helps resolve any issues caused by a previous email or link that might have become outdated or wasn't processed correctly. Once you've requested a new verification link, the next step is to check your email. But remember, it's not just about any email. You must ensure you're accessing the right one. Navigate over to the Profile section, which you can usually find within your account settings or profile management area. Here, look for an option that says something like Send Verification Email, and use it to issue a new link. By doing this through your profile, you confirm that the system recognizes your request as legitimate, which can help process a new verification link directly from your account dashboard. This approach often resolves many of the problems encountered with previous attempts. Now, if you've clicked the new link and it still doesn't seem to work, don't lose hope just yet. The problem might not be with Cloudflare itself, but with the browser you're using. In such cases, it's a good idea to try accessing the link through a different browser. Choose one that you don't use regularly to ensure it doesn't have cached data or saved sessions that might interfere with the verification process. Alternatively, you can open the link in a private or incognito window. These types of sessions do not store any browsing history or cookies beyond the current session, which can be beneficial in bypassing temporary data that might be hindering the verification process. Simply open a new private browsing window, paste the verification link, and proceed. This fresh start often clears the typical bugs that occur due to residual cache or previous session details. With these steps in your toolkit, you're equipped with a robust strategy to tackle Cloudflare verification issues head-on. Remember, patience and methodical troubleshooting are your best allies in resolving these hiccups. If this guide helped you with how to fix Cloudflare not verifying, subscribe to PMN Online for more easy-to-follow tutorials.